things are really easy, you know.
Aren't they? We changed everything.
Yeah.
Can you imagine when the leaves are, like you say, when it's not winter time, when it's springtime or summer, and how beautiful out there?
Okay, now we are getting into the master, is it? This is the
And I
master.
think that was a picture of them. I think that was them. And I think they're right there.
Wonderful. And this is the master. Oh wow. It is what? It's like, what is this?
It's the bedroom and the bathroom, right? Oh my goodness. Wow.
The jar dropped.
What?
A jar dropped, I said.
And she said they went ahead and put that washer dryer in the closet because they thought, well, that's where the clothes are.
I see. This is the master, and the shower is like that. Let's see. And this is. We must be Indian people. They have all this, what do you call, spices, you know. Yeah. But this, look at this one. Beautiful mirror, beautiful dining. And terrific.
I think there's another half bath right here too. I think.
Oh yeah?
Yes, which is nice for
Mm.
guests.
Not bad.
We could throw some downstairs too underneath.